When it rains, it pours. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again to do another video. Today's video is going to be, you guessed it, another unboxing video. I just received this FedEx box in the mail. Well, from FedEx anyway. It's not in the greatest of shape. While I was unboxing my chalk tally from 24s.com. So I figure, why not? I'm on a roll. I'm just going to unbox this baby and see what I think. Got my handy dandy ceramic knife. Kind of want to get the box out of my closet because it's dirty. DHL delivers much cleaner boxes, but I do have to sign for those, so it's sort of a pain. When I got the box from DHL, which was the chalk tally, I was home for a period of 15 minutes all morning, and you know, it came during that 15 minutes, which was unbelievable. So despite being smashed, the box is well packed. The bag is factory wrapped. Just check that box over there. The bag is factory wrapped, so that's a good sign. Nobody has laid their fingers on her before me. So if I can find the way in, I'll unbox this for you or unbag it. I'm trying not to rip it open, but it may not be a choice. Here we go. I found the magic bit of tape. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I was pretty confident about the chalk one, and then it came with some issues. But I got the Canyon Soft Tabby from Neiman Marcus. And let me tell you, the reason I did that is because Rakuten had 10% back. And by the way, if you're not signed up for Rakuten, I link my sign up link in the description box in every video. And right now, if you sign up and you spend over, I think, $25, you get a $30 bonus on top of whatever percentage that whatever you're ordering, like whatever company you're ordering from, is going to give you. So in this case, it was 10%. So if you went and bought this bag and you signed up for Rakuten, you would get the 10% back, depending on the day, and then you would get an extra $30. And I would get an extra $30 since I told you about it. Can't beat that. So this is the Canyon. Let me try that again. This is the Canyon Soft Tali. No, not soft. This is the Canyon Tali bucket bag. And I kind of have a sinking feeling looking at it. It is so orange. I have my Papaya Tali here next to me. And I am just not knowing. I just don't know what I think about this bag. I have to take out some of the stuffing to even be able to really look at it. So here's the bag. While I have this bag, let me show you the inside of this bag is pretty much the same as the outside. It's the micro suede, but it's pretty much the same color as Canyon. Has the one pocket, has the zippered closure. Everything else is the same as the other tallies I've showed you, but the interior color does vary a bit depending on what the exterior color is. Here is my tally. It looks way browner next to the tally than it does in person. In person, it looks orange. I mean, really orange. Let me grab my Marc Jacobs tote bag. I just want to show you it next to that. So this is my Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the color Argan Oil. Look at how orange the Tali bucket bag by Coach looks next to that. It's almost like red dirt. I don't think this is for me. I don't know. Let me see, is there something else I can compare it to? I guess I don't have a whole lot of brown bags. So I have this bag. This is 1941 Saddle on the main body of my Marleigh 20. And it makes this look orange. Ah, gosh. I know the strap on this is gorgeous. So this is the color Rust on the trim on this Field Tote 22. And I believe that's the color Truffle, the brown part. I think I need to look at the strap to know for sure. I wasn't going to do this, but if I don't look at the strap, I'm just not going to know. So the strap is a beautiful combination of pink with the canyon color kind of woven through it and a dark brown. So I'm going to clip it on here, and I'm going to try to not unwrap this a lot because somebody else may really want one of these and this may be theirs. So it's definitely better with the crossbody strap than it was without. I don't know. For the money, I'm just not excited about it. This is like, I want to be orange, the papaya bag. This bag is like, I want to be orange, but I could also pass as like camel, you know, in the right setting. This bag is, I am orange, and I am not ashamed of it. And I'm just not a fan of some oranges, I guess, because I really just don't think this orange is for me. The strap is really pretty, but I get the same effect with my Papaya Tali because my Papaya Tali has pink in the strap too. And of course, this got a little beat up in shipping because it was smashed. I'm sure that would probably work out, but I think I'm going to just stick with my chalk one that I'm going to get exchanged by 24S. And this one's going to go back to Neiman Marcus, which is a disappointment. But what can I say? I mean, I have a lot of handbags, if you haven't noticed. So sending this one back, I'm not going to miss it. And I think I'll regret keeping it, even though I did get the Rakuten money. And I forgot to mention, I got 15% off this bag as well. And let me tell you how. If you sign up for emails with Neiman Marcus, they will send you a 15% off code pretty much immediately that you can use on Coach bags, at least the ones I've tried it on. And so if you already have an account, you would have to sign up with a new email, but I was able to use the code that was sent to me with my regular account. So I didn't have to create a whole nother account. I just signed up for email with a different email address. So if you want to get 15% off of a full price item, I don't know if it would work on sale, but it definitely works on full price items. You can get that and then also benefit from the Rakuten money, which with Neiman is often 10% and sometimes higher. So I hope you enjoy this video. I feel kind of bummed out because 2 in a row haven't went the way I planned, but life happens. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any exciting content such as this. Also, if you haven't yet, go follow me on Instagram. I post all my videos there and sometimes other things too. You can DM me on Instagram, or you may email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.